Every technology we use today just by one click was not so easy to make by developers. And how to store videos, projects, launch programs, so you have to thank God and explore secrets about the computer world. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the foundational markup language that defines the structure and content of web pages. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is used to style and lay out web pages. Think colors, fonts, spacing, and responsive designs. JavaScript brings interactivity to web pages, while TypeScript, its statically typed superset, helps catch errors early and scales better for large applications. React is not a language, but a JavaScript library focused on building interactive, component-based user interfaces. It leverages virtual DOM for efficient rendering. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight, human-readable format for data interchange. It's used extensively in web APIs to transmit structured data between client and server. C#, or C#, is a modern, object-oriented language from Microsoft, primarily used within the .NET ecosystem, for everything from web services to game development with engines like Unity. C++ is a powerful language that extends C with object-oriented features. It's heavily used in performance-critical applications and systems programming where direct memory control matters. PHP is a server-side scripting language that has long been the backbone of dynamic web development, powering systems such as WordPress and many legacy web applications. Kotlin is a modern language designed for the JVM, celebrated for its concise syntax and full interoperability with Java. It is the preferred language for modern Android development. Rust is a systems programming language emphasizing safety and concurrency without compromising performance. Perfect for tasks where memory safety is crucial. Java is a class-based, object-oriented language famous for its portability, write once, run anywhere, and extensively used in enterprise applications and Android apps. Python is known for its readability and extensive libraries, excelling in web development, automation, AI, data analysis, and scientific computing. Cython is a blend of Python's ease and C's speed, used to compile Python code into C extensions for performance-critical applications. Swift is Apple's modern language designed for building robust apps across iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS with a focus on safety and performance. Go, or Golang, developed at Google, is noted for its simplicity and strong concurrency support, making it ideal for scalable network and server-side applications. MATLAB is a high-level environment and language used for numerical computing, algorithm development, and data visualization, predominantly in engineering and scientific research. R is a language and environment tailored for statistical analysis and visualization, with an extensive ecosystem for data manipulation and graphing. F# is a functional first language on the .NET platform that also supports object-oriented paradigms. It's very effective for data processing and financial modeling. COBOL, often interpreted from cable, is a legacy language designed for business data processing. Despite its age, it remains critical in many large-scale financial and administrative systems. Lisp is one of the oldest high-level languages, famed for its unique parenthesized syntax and its philosophy of code as data. It's been a strong influence in AI and symbolic computing. WASM, or WebAssembly, is a low-level binary format that serves as a compilation target for languages like C, C++, and Rust. It enables near-native performance for web applications by running code in the browser. DEX typically refers to the Dalvik executable format used on Android. When Android apps are compiled, the Java or Kotlin bytecode is converted into files that the Android runtime can execute. Gradle is a robust build automation tool particularly popular in the Java and Android ecosystems. It allows developers to define and manage complex build processes using Groovy or Kotlin DSLs. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the standard language for managing and querying relational databases. It's indispensable when dealing with structured data, performing tasks from simple queries to complex transactions. INI files are a simple, plain text file format traditionally used for configuration settings. Its structure with sections, keys, and values makes it easy to write and parse. Ignore files like instruct version control systems such as Git, which files or patterns to disregard. They are essential for keeping repositories clean of temporary, compiled, or sensitive files. Each of these tools is designed with specific goals. Web projects might seamlessly blend HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or TypeScript with React, and JSON for data interchange. On the back-end or in performance-critical modules, you might choose from C#, C++, Rust, or even Java, while Python, with optimizations via Cython, can serve data processing roles. Build tools like Gradle are indispensable in managing dependencies and builds, especially in Android projects where DEX files are produced. And when it comes to configuration or data storage, SQL and simple files like INI, or ignore patterns for version control, streamline development workflows. This rich ecosystem offers a toolkit where every piece plays its part. Whether you're building cutting-edge web experiences, optimizing system-level performance, or managing data operations efficiently, understanding these technologies and their interplay is essential. More to explore. How do these languages and tools integrate in full-stack projects? What are the pros and cons of using a typed language like TypeScript versus plain JavaScript in modern development? Which scenarios call for performance optimizations using Cython or Rust, and how might you measure the gains? Feel free to ask if you'd like to dig deeper into any of these topics or explore integration strategies in your projects. CSD is a channel which interests in PC tech. Please enter, subscribe, and watch everything for making those algorithms. Like content and suggest it for viewers.